Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Uh, Today is the last day of block coding, and we're gonna do a free create. So you guys are gonna um, you're gonna create your own game using the things that I taught you. So we're gonna go into Scratch as usual. Again, the link's in the description. And then next we're gonna be learning Python, and our goal is to learn elements and all the different types of things in Python. And just to get you ready for that, we're going to use Replit, replit.com. I'll also put a link for this um in the description, but yeah. So we'll go to create as normal. It's loading. And you're gonna make a game like whatever you want. You can do, let's see here, events. And our goal in this was to basically make a game this whole time, right? So you can make a game with whatever you want. Oh yes, I did say this last time. We're going to go to back to scratch. Go to ideas. Oh, sorry. Yeah, we're gonna go to ideas and create a story. We are going to listen to this video.
You can use Scratch to tell a story, create a conversation, switch scenes, or do whatever else you can imagine. To get started, let's pick a background. I'll go with the witch house. Now let's pick a sprite. I'll pick the wizard. Let's have our character say something. I'll have my character say, "Welcome to magic school." I'd like to add another character, so I'll choose another sprite. This time, I'll pick the elf. It looks like the
So it's basically everything I've taught you so far. Adding sprites, adding backdrops, telling what to do. There's like a different code for different sprites, so yeah, let's continue.
elf isn't facing the wizard, so I'll change the way they're looking. Let's
Oh
go to
yeah,
the costume tab
and changing the way someone's looking. Same thing I've also done.
and choose flip horizontal, so the costume is now flipped to face the wizard. Let's make a conversation. I'll add a say block to the elf sprite. I'll make this character say, "I'm going on a quest." Let's click the green flag to see what happens. They both speak at the same time, so let's go ahead and add a wait block before the elf speaks.
And this is also what I said for what I. This is also what I said for when I was making a game.
I'll make this 2 seconds.
For my animation.
Let's have the characters change scenes. I'll add another background. This time I'll choose mountain. I'll reselect the elf sprite and go back to the coding area. Let's have the characters start at the witch house, wait 4 seconds, which is how long the conversation is, and then switch to the mountain backdrop.
So they're basically using they're taking the details in the code and then inputting that inside what they're gonna make the story in.
Finally, what if we don't want the wizard to be in the mountain scene? Let's go back to the wizard sprite and add a when backdrop switches to block. I'll set it to mountain and make the wizard hide. Let's try it out. Looks good. Now let's replay the project. The wizard doesn't show up at all. That's because we've hidden it. So what we'll need to do is add a show block at the top of the script so that whenever someone replays the project, the wizard will show first.
Yeah. So basically, that's also a main detail. So whenever you're making a code, and if you you're like, oh, where is it? And then you look at the hide block that you placed here, right here. Uh oh. You always want to put that show so you don't get confused.
Click the green arrow to see this code again and explore what else you might add to your story.
Yeah, so that's basically how they made this story. They have a bunch of other videos how to add a backdrop. Yeah, and you can use all these different blocks. So sound, you can say, or you can record. Hi, what's your name? Hi, what's your name? And you can make sounds like those. And then if I go here, when the green flag is clicked, play recording 1. And we can also say hello for 2 seconds. Hi, what's your name? And yeah, so when I click the green flag, hi, what's your name? So I'll put that here. Hi, what's your name? So it's not going how we want to, so we should add this to a separate block. Hi, what's your name? And then get this green flag. Hi, what's your name? And that's also to, so we're gonna record another one and put, hi, what's your name? Hi, what's your name? Boom. And then go back to code, recording 2. Hi, what's your name? Boom! It matches perfectly with the thing. So, yeah, if you also want like sounds to go inside as the your sprite is speaking, you can do that. And so I've talked about looks, sound, events, control, sensing, operators. Okay, operators, basically the same thing. And okay, wait, sensing goes into operators and control, like these rectangle, triangle, box, whatever. If I place one here, here, right here, boom, and these are the variable blocks, and these are the blocks you can create. Say hi. Okay. Hi, what's your name? Hi, what's your name? And then I really don't know what does because I've never seen it before, but it's a cool block, I guess. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. Uh, tomorrow. So today was the last day of block coding, and you guys officially know how to do block coding. And tomorrow I'm gonna play Brawl Stars, so make sure to watch that video tomorrow and day after tomorrow. And I might play Fortnite or Minecraft or something like that. And yeah, we'll be learning Python next. So and remember, oh wait, I will put this in this website. We'll be using this website. And for our next video, thank you.